Hey, my name is Evan, and I'm a recruiter at Indeed. A behavioral interview is a technique that recruiters, like me, use to judge candidates based on their past behavior. Instead of asking hypothetical questions like, how would you react if you were under a lot of pressure at work? We might ask situational questions like, describe a time you were under a lot of pressure at work. How'd you react? A question I like to use is, tell me about a mistake that you've made. How'd you handle it? Success in a behavioral interview is all about preparation, so I recommend a process called the STAR method. With this method, you create a deliberate story arc that your interviewer can easily follow. Here's how it works. First, you start with the situation. What's the context of your story? Then, add a task. What was your role in this situation? Next, share your action. What'd you do? And wrap it up with a result. What'd your actions lead to? Let's give it a try. Say you're in an interview and the recruiter asks, can you tell me about a challenging situation you overcame at work? Then you say, we're working on a 6-month contract for a high-value client when our agency merged with another larger firm. It was my role to lead the transition for my group while also communicating with our client to keep the project on track. I set up weekly check-ins with the client to update them on the progress of the merger. I also had regular one-on-ones with each person on the team to assess how they were handling the change. We ended up completing the project on time, meeting all their needs. It was really rewarding to navigate a lot of change and succeed under pressure. And you're done. See, that wasn't so hard. Practice is key. You won't be able to anticipate every question you get, but with a strong set of anecdotes, you'll be able to answer each one with confidence. Remember, they're interviewing you for a reason. You'll do great.